a different type of style of vlog. I feel like I've been doing like very chill, peaceful, like more like weekends activities and stuff, but I want to kind of start getting into doing like realistic routine vlogs, like, hey, this is what my workout routine looks like, this is what I eat for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Right now it's actually Thursday and I'm taking Remy on a cute little walk. It's a beautiful day out. It's kind of been a little gross the past couple days. It's kind of been like raining off and on, and so today has just, the birds are chirping, the sun is shining, there's a little bit of clouds in the sky, but it's a beautiful day. And so I don't have to go to work until like 9:30, and so it's 8 a.m. and I've been up since like 6:30, and today's actually my off day for working out, and so I didn't have to go to the gym this morning, and so I got my Jesus time in and like did all the things, and so now I'm just kind of chilling until I have to leave. And so I thought, hey, let's go on a little walk. So that's what we're doing right now. 7:30, so she doesn't like get a morning walk just because I have to go have my workout routine at 8:30. I have to be at the gym at 8:30, so she's not used to this, so it's kind of good to like mix it up every now and then. Come on. So I wanted to give you guys a little garden update. This is what she's looking like right now. A lot of seedlings are popping up. I've had to like pull out some mushrooms like every day, but anyways, it's looking good. This garden box is like really flourishing just because I planted these like 3 weeks before those ones. So in a couple weeks, those seedlings will look like these ones. And I also wanted to show you guys, we put cedar on our front porch Saturday, and so it just makes the house look so much better, makes the black pop. But that's what the front porch is looking like right now. I've got a few stuff that I've got to move, but we are gonna go let out the ducks, feed them, water them, and then start the day. Later, it's been a really busy day. I'm actually so tired. I just took like a 30-minute nap on the couch, which is totally like out of character because I never take naps, never have. Just not really my type of thing. I've just been like so tired, and I just needed to like lay down for like 30 minutes because I have been on the go all week, just go, and so I just needed to sit down for a second. But it is like 3:30, and so I am gonna go ahead and make dinner. I have been doing this Instagram recipe for like a couple weeks now. It's literally so easy, so good. Let me show you guys. So, bag of spinach, some tomatoes. I get these ones because they're just easy. And then some herb chicken tortellini, or just the regular cheese ones. And then, where are they at? 2 of these Bergen garlic and fine herb Bergen, Gournay cheese, whatever. preheat the oven to 400. So I get out a pan like this. Get out a pan like this, and basically I'm gonna put all that minus the spinach in here, coat it with some olive oil and seasoning, put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and that's dinner. It's literally so easy. It tastes so good. Like, and it tastes like bougie, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna make dinner, and then I am thinking about going to take pictures at sunset. I just have to get ready and I really don't feel like it. I washed my hair today, so it's a little wet still. And then I have to like get dressed and everything. My motivation to do that though is very low, so we'll see if it happens or not. To make sure to put like lots of olive oil, because this is what makes the recipe, believe it or not. Whenever you like cook it for 30 minutes and take it out of the oven and then put the spinach with it, the olive oil just makes everything like coat very well, and so olive oil is like essential to this recipe. And so I usually do not start to cook these until like 15 minutes. This has like 15 minutes left in the oven, and so that's when I'll start boiling the water and getting these ready, so that when it comes out, you literally just put this in the pan. And I honestly, I don't even put the whole bag of spinach in there. I probably put half the bag. If you wanted to make the recipe go longer though, put the whole bag in there. But anyways, it's a very filling recipe, believe it or not. Usually, if I make something like with meat, like chicken, I'll have like a sweet potato and salad. But this recipe kind of hits all those boxes. It is, if you're looking for more of a high protein recipe, this is probably not the one. It does have chicken in the tortellini, but sometimes Kyle likes to make extra protein because protein in chicken. But I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and then yeah, just wait until it's ready. As you can tell, my face is like super red. But we're going to I'm gonna head home and get ready for the day and eat some brunch. I only ate like an RX bar this morning for breakfast, so I'm a little hungry, and then get the rest of the day going.